Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix the code execution cannot proceed. So let's get started. So simple and easy. Make sure to follow my steps. Now for the first step, go to the Windows icon right here. After that, search for settings and select it. Now go to Windows Update in the left menu. After that, make sure to install all the latest updates available right here if you have failed updates. Now for the second step, it is the most important one. If you have an antivirus, like for me I have Avast antivirus, you need to go to the quarantine. So right click on it. After that, select open quarantine. You can do this in any antivirus you have. So the quarantine contains any possible threats files. So this is when most likely you will find the Steam files that are the main issues. After that, when you find the files of the game, you select them like this. After that, go to these three dots and select restore and make sure to select add exception so the problem will never come back again. If you have only Windows Defender, it can be done too. So open Windows Defender. After that, go to the protection, scroll down and go to protection history. You most likely find the files right here, so make sure to do the same thing as we did before. Now for the next and last step, you just need to open the launcher that you have the game on, the example games. Now go to library and search for Grand Theft Auto. You will find it, so go to these three dots. If you installed the game, you have this manage option available, so click it, and then you need to select verify in order to verify the integrity of game files, so the missing or corrupted files will be recovered safely without any issues. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.